The parabolic SAR plots a dotted line that follows price during trends and flips sides when the trend reverses. The name stands for stop and reverse. It's one of the simplest visual trend indicators, and many traders use it as a trailing stop. So here's how you can use it. First, open up any chart that you want to use this on, press the / key. Type in parabolic SAR, then click on it. Once you do that, you'll see a series of dots above or below each candle. When the dots are below price, the trend is up, whereas when the dots are above price, the trend is down. When the dots flip from below to above, the trend has reversed. Let's look over the settings for this. Simply hover over the dots and double click. Then go to inputs. You'll see two specific inputs, which are the start and the max value. The default for the start is 0.02 and the maximum is 0.2. These control the acceleration, and the dots accelerate toward price as a trend extends, getting closer until eventually price crosses them and the SAR flips. And here's a tip. Don't increase the maximum too high because the default 0.2 is specifically calibrated for typical price movement. Pushing it past 0.3 makes the SAR too aggressive and you'll get stopped out of every move prematurely. The parabolic SAR, just like the super trend, works well in strong trends, but does give whipsaws in sideways markets, so make sure you're looking out for that. Have a great day, guys.